Hello viewers, welcome to Mercy Healthy Kitchen. If you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. For my new subscribers, I say thank you and God bless you. And for all my viewers, I say thank you. I'm grateful and God will continue to bless you. In today's video, we're going to see how I make this delicious okra soup with fresh tomatoes. This okra soup is rich and delicious. So the list of our ingredients will have goat meat, we'll have stockfish, we'll have smoked fish. The stockfish, I'm using the head. We'll have fresh tomatoes and onions. We'll have our pounded pepper and crayfish. We'll have our okra. We'll have our spinach. I'm using spinach today. Spinach is very rich and it is really good for men. I am using half cooking spoon of red oil, salt and 2 seasoning cubes. My meat is nicely washed, so I will put the meat inside my pot, add my chopped onions, 1 seasoning cube, and I will allow it to simmer for some minutes. After some minutes, I will go ahead and add water. The goat meat is hard, so I will add enough water so that the meat will cook very well. Then I will cover it and allow it to cook. As the meat is cooking, let me quickly dice my okra. The okra is washed nicely, so I will cut my okra and my spinach to set aside. Because okra is a soup that I don't cook this okra soup more than 8 minutes. So let's check our meat. It has been boiling for 25 minutes now. I will add my stockfish, the head. And I will cover it and allow it to cook. This is 15 minutes later. I will add my deboned smoked fish, allow it to simmer for 5 minutes. I will remove it from fire and transfer my meat and fish stock into a bowl. So let's start our cooking proper. I will add my half cooking spoon of red oil. I don't like too much oil in my okra, so I enjoy adding little. I add my chopped onions, my okra, I will stir it very well so that the oil will coat with the okra. I will add my fresh chopped tomatoes, stir, then add my meat and fish stock. Add my pounded pepper and crayfish. I will stir it very well. add a little water. The reason why I'm adding little water, you know spinach has a lot of water. So if you don't add little, the moment you add your spinach, the soup will be full of water. I'll cover it for 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes later. I'll test for salt. Before I add my salt, let me first add my spinach leaf. It's nicely washed and cut. Add my 1 seasoning cube, the little salt to taste. Cover it for 5 seconds. Stir it very well. And my soup is ready. So let me know what you are going to use to enjoy this delicious soup in the comment section. Try it at home and let me know your outcome. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye. See you soon.